Hi, in this video we're going to do an inside review of WACRE. The first step is to add an account. Here in the Accounts menu, you can add an account. I'm going to create a test account here, and the screen will appear for us to read the QR code. I'll open the number that's in my module so we can read it. Let's connect. And that's it. From this moment on, it's already synchronized with the account. So we can already see the automation screen here. WACRE is software focused on intelligent automation to streamline your customer service and help you serve your clients quickly and easily. The first option in the menu is the chat filter. You can quickly show all chats, separate them by groups or just chats, accounts with WhatsApp Business, or accounts with WhatsApp and the official one. In short, you have several filters here that you can adjust to facilitate the conversation. Here in Broadcast, we also have the soft sending option, so you can select your contacts from 2+ phone. You can enter a name you want and add a message to send this soft mailing. You can even schedule it for a later date or time of your choosing. You have the freedom to create soft mailing campaigns for a group of users or specific users. So you have that freedom here. There's also a chatbot. You can create rules. For example, you can create rules like, when the date is something, if it's exact, contains, starts with, or ends with, it will respond. You can create these conditions. In addition, you can also add images, videos, audio, etc. You have all this context of files that you can attach along with the text. It will respond. Furthermore, we also have the group feature. The Groups section allows you to select a group if you have one and manage it here. You have some automations that allow you to check your groups and manage them. In short, all these group options. The most used part of WACM is these quick posts, which we have here with scheduling. So you can say, schedule a specific message for an individual user, or you can just send a soft message. You have those two options. But the most commonly used option is quick replies. For example, I'll give you a quick reply. I can choose to have a text-only reply, or text in an image, audio, or document. So I'm going to put the test here in 1, 2, 3. And when we save these quick replies, where will they appear in the conversation with the contact? They'll appear down here. So you can, for example, click and quickly access these replies or a funnel of responses. So that's the big difference with WACM. It helps you in customer service so you can respond quickly without having to repeat the same things. Then here we have some reminder options, so you can add a reminder to do some activity. You have the option to filter numbers, so you can load a list of contacts you have. So it shows exactly who has WhatsApp and who doesn't have a WhatsApp account. We also have the data extractor option, so it can extract contacts from groups, communities, or chats, so you have extraction options as well. Finally, we have some group options. For example, to join groups, delete groups, manage groups, change the information of these groups, you have the option here. Right now, I don't have any groups. I'm banned, and I can't upload anything. Finally, we have the option of extra tools here. This is very interesting. We can suddenly create a certain privacy for the name, the message, or the photo. So you want a lot of help, because in the meantime, you might want to delete messages or snoop around the photo or the name. So this is very useful, especially for sharing with a partner, a business partner, or a friend, and you can do that here. It has a link generator. It also has an option to send automatic direct messages that you can generate a message with. And the signature option. This signature option is very interesting because you can put your name here, for example. And when you send a message, it will be written in bold. It will send the message in bold. We can even change the signature and make it bold. This is very interesting because then, when you send it, it will work. It's not saving here yet, but I have to disable the signature so we can save it again. So let's put it here so we can see. Now it will save with the austerity feature. So when you talk, test it. It will be in bold. So